Yes, thank you. Be careful.
Yeah.
Religion in more Muslim.
They're Muslim.
Yes, in Bali Hindus.
Yeah.
Are you Muslim or Christian? You?
No, right?
You? Okay.
And my mom.
Okay. Two?
Ma, do you have a helmet?
Yes.
Perfect. Ma, see,
For your mom?
for me, and my mom is gonna go without.
Oh. Big for you.
Hello.
Hello. You sit here, maybe.
Okie dokie.
Okay.
Um,
Can.
Thank
Sorry, kiss me. Yes.
Okay. No, you
Okay. Okay. You sit here. Careful.
Sí,
Okay.
la pego. Ahí
¿Qué?
mucho no me gusta, pero bueno. Me gusta más en el medio que el valle.
No, es que no hay lugar ahí.
No hay mucho
Y además es cerca.
¿Dónde va a ir? Bueno, vamos. Yo creo que sí. No, pues. Cerrate el casco, hijo.
Sí,
Me
cerrate
cerré.
el casco, por si acaso.
Close your helmet.
Este.
Okay, ready?
Ready?
Tenemos 2 minutos para allá, ¿ok?
¿Cuánto?
Mami. Ma. Mami. Mami. Esta moto es para viajar.
¿Te parece?
Es una buenísima moto.
Sí. Está bien equipada.
Hello? Where I drop?
Over there, corner.
Corner?
Here.
Right here.
Here? Okay, one moment. Careful. Wait, wait. Okay.
Terima kasih.
Can?
I
Okay.
love your motorcycle.
He said this is the best
The best.
scooter we ever ride on.
Thank
Very
you.
nice.
Thank you very much.
Es una Honda.
Mira.
Ah, look at this. Honda watch.
Honda IDV.
ADV
Yes.
160.
Yes.
Ah,
160.
very nice.
Esta moto tenemos que comprar.
Hello.
Bye, bye.
Yes, thank you. Be careful.
Yeah.
Okay. Ready? from Sumatra.
Sumatra.
You know Sumatra?
No, I never.
No.
But I heard about it.
Yes, Indonesia big more island. Bali, Sumatra, Kalimantan, more.
How far is it from here? Far from here?
No, I'm not.
No, I said, is it far? Sumatra is far from here?
Yes,
Is it far from here, Sumatra? How many hours to go there?
go there maybe. Use the plane. Plane maybe 6 hours.
6 hours?
Yes. Because transit 3 planes. Go to Jakarta and Palembang and Lubuk Linggau 3.
What's the religion there? Sumatra.
Yes,
Religion in Sumatra.
religion Palembang. Sumat
But what is it?
Palembang the names.
No, the religion there? Religion, the Christian.
Oh, sorry. Religion in more Muslim.
They're Muslim.
Yes, in Bali Hindus.
Yeah.
Are you Muslim or Christian?
Me?
Yes,
Yeah, I'm Muslim.
Muslim. Yeah. Maroko. You holiday or living here?
No, I live here.
Well, long time maybe.
10 bulan.
Oh, 10 bulan. Oh, you good bahasa ya. Di mana kamu tinggal?
Sorry?
Where you stay?
Di Babakan.
Babakan Tangguh. Are you teacher or not?
Sorry?
You go to school?
Yeah, I go for my kids.
Oh, okay. That's good. Tangguh expensive for homestay.
Sorry?
For a homestay expensive here. Tangguh.
Yeah. I don't like it. But when you have kids and you have school,
Yes,
you
good.
be around.
More school in Canggu. International school.
Okay, ini.
Okay. Careful.
Yeah.
Because the big motorbike.
Big one.
You pay cash?
Yes.
Yes. 80.